closet because we are filming a video that's about packing, so I'm kind of looking at my shoes because it's about
footwear, son.
Footwear.
I'm gonna tell you about what you need to take, actually what we take, because we used to pack like so many pairs of shoes and it was just so hectic because we never wore half of them.
I learned how to pack like not as much too, not as many pairs of shoes. So we're gonna show you the essentials that I take with me all the time and what James takes. My portion is longer. Buckle up.
Let's go. So for myself, I only like to pack 5 pairs of shoes. If we're not gonna hike, I'm not gonna bring my hiking shoes, right? That's just gonna give me, and I probably won't even bring another pair of shoes with me. I just would rather take the space over having that in case we do some shopping or something like that. I'll take, so hiking shoes if we're gonna hike. Also have like a pair of loafers or something that you can dress up or wear casually. It's good to have a pair of dress shoes just in case you do a formal dinner or something like that. And then sandals. Sandals if it's gonna be hot. Everyday shoes, definitely wear them on the plane, saves more space. I will say this though, if you have a shoe that's like this, that has like a high sole and not much support, like it's kind of soft, like you know those really comfy shoes that we have now, I don't advise wearing those like for the whole day or trying to hike or do trails with them. I did that when we were on our last trip and my ankles were so tired and they were so sore from that. And that's the only time I ever wore a pair of shoes like this. So just to have more ankle support, I'd wear something that's a little more sturdy and like lower to the ground. So that's it for the guys portion. Tina's gonna take over and show you girls what you need to pack. It's a lot of shoes, man, I'm telling you.
When it comes to girls, I think we pack very, very differently. So I'm going to show you how I pack my shoes for traveling. Before I used to pack a lot of shoes and now I've learned to kind of tone it down even though there's still a lot to go through. So I take a lot of sneakers with me for traveling because we walk a lot and I need to be comfortable. I also don't take heels really. If I do, which I do, I use it maybe once or twice in like 12, 13 days. So the first pair that I have taken on every single trip are these Skechers here. They're so worn if you look at them because I used to hike in these. Now I have proper hiking shoes. But I take these because they're super comfortable, they're so light. It's just amazing to walk around in and they kind of go with a lot of different looks like shorts or short skirts or dresses or pants or stuff like that. So I would say these are my favorite and I never go anywhere without them. The next pair that I have are my favorite. I bought these in Spain and should I share the story of why we bought these? It's freaking jokes. Okay, so when we're at our hotel, I usually wear slippers around the hotel because I don't like my feet touching the ground. And so I was wearing these pink slippers that I brought with me in Barcelona. And then we dressed and got ready and we were gonna go just walk around in the city and I forgot to take them off and I came out with the slippers and they were pink and I was wearing red. Like a good half hour I was getting such dirty looks. Everybody was looking at my shoes like almost like how dare you wear those with that outfit. And in the beginning when I realized, I'm like, should we go back? Should I change? I'm like, who cares? Because like I don't. But then I got so many dirty looks I was so self-conscious that we went shopping and I bought these and I put these on. So I'm so happy that happened because these are actually my favorite shoes and I wear them with so many different outfits. Again, skirts, pants, shorts. Because they're cream, like a beige color, they go with a lot of different looks. So the next ones are these. They're called, they're the brand Reebok. They're just white. I love these because I can wear them with so many different outfits. So these are my other favorite ones that I wear all the time. This next pair is new to my collection and they're my least favorite but also my favorite shoes. They're my least favorite because they are super ugly. They're my hiking shoes. These are my hiking shoes. James forced me to buy these because I was hiking in my Skechers in like legit mountains in Italy, so it was dangerous. So now I have these and I feel more comfortable and they're so easy to hike in. The next pair that I want to talk about are flats. I take a lot of flats with me because I wear a lot of flats. I don't wear heels. So these black ones are just kind of simple, basic heels that I take with me. I like the gold accent on them. They're from H&M and I've been wearing them almost every day, even at home and traveling. And then I was kind of deciding between these two, and I usually just take one pair with me. So I decide on one. And so because I like both of them, I decided to wear this one to the airport because it's a bit chunkier, and put this one in my suitcase because, you know, it takes less space. And the reason why I'm wearing these to the airport is it just takes so much space, but they're so cute, I don't want to not take them. Maybe they'll elevate an outfit for something or somewhere we're going. So I'm taking these to the airport. So we're almost done. The next shoes that I always take with me are these flats. They're kind of like slipper slides or something, I don't know.
What are slides?
Because your feet slides in them. These are my favorite because they're colorful. Again, they have gold on it. I can wear these with so many different outfits, and they're so easy to walk in. So I love these. These are really cute. This next slipper is funny that I take these with me, but I wear long dresses, and because I'm already like normal to tall in height, I don't need to wear heels with my long maxi dresses, so I wear these underneath. They're comfortable. They're not like ugly. They're just basic. But they don't show under my long dresses, so that I can be comfortable while wearing these. The last two pairs are heels. Like I said, I don't take heels, and if I do, I only wear them like once or twice. For this pair, I definitely take a beige color. I'm all about the whites and the black and beige kind of basic neutral tones. This one is nice because it has a little bit of a heel and it's thick, so I can walk in grass if we're at a park, or if we're going for dinner or something like that. And it goes with so many different outfits. And then the last pair, it's my funky shoes. And I take at least one funky shoe with me. Either it's a bold color or it's just a different type of shoe. And these are this pair here. To me, they're funky. They're clear and they have rhinestones on it. And they have a little bit of a heel. They're perfect for different kind of formal outfits. If we're going out for like our anniversary dinner or like a special dinner and I'm dressing up, I take these with me. They're super comfortable to walk in. And they're kind of funky, and they go with everything because they're clear. They just show your skin through these areas. So I love these too. As you can see, obviously I take more shoes with me than James, but that's just how it is. I have a lot more things, even in the house, than James. I have taken over the house with my clothes and shoes. So for James, it's a lot easier. For guys, it's easier. It's more comfortable. For girls, we like to kind of dress nice and dress differently every day. So these are the essentials that I take with me all the time. Only thing that I want to kind of emphasize on is wear your chunkiest shoes to the airport, the heaviest, the chunkiest. I know people wear the comfiest, and that's good too, but if you want more space, that's just a tip for the ladies or gentlemen who want to take boots with them or something. Wear it to the airport and you have more space in your suitcase.
So that's it for our footwear section. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully these tips work for you. What do you gotta say, Boo?
I'm like trying to get a word in. I'm like...